Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of playing with numbers. This is 10th question of its exercise 3.7. So the question says that find the LCM of the following numbers. So part A, 9 and 10, 9 and 4, 9, 4. So firstly 2, 9, 1. So there are 3, 1. So there are 1, 1. So LCM हो जाएगा हमारे पास लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल इज 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 3. सो हो जाएगा 3 3 जा 9, 2 जा 18, 2 जा 36. B 12 and 5, 2 6 5, 2 3 5, 3 1 5 10 5. सो LCM हो जाएगा हमारे पास 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 3 5 are 15, 2s are 30, 2s are 60. Then C 6 and 5, 2 3, 5, 3 1, 5 and 5 1, 1. So LCM हो जाएगा हमारे पास LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. So हो जाएगा हमारे पास 5 3 are 15, 2s are 30. And D 15, 4. So हो जाएगा हमारे पास 2 1 then 3 then 1, 1. So LCM हो जाएगा हमारे पास LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 3 5s are 15, 2s are 30, 2s are 60. So हमें लास्ट में देखना है observe a common property in the obtained LCMs. Is LCM the product of two numbers in each case? तो हम चेक करते हैं 9 4s are 36 और LCM हमारा 36 है, 12 5s are 60 and LCM भी 60 है, 6 5s are 30 and LCM भी 30 है, 5 4s are 60 and LCM भी हमें 60 ही मिला है. So हम लिख सकते हैं yes, in each case LCM is the of the given number is the product of these numbers. Thank you.